Miss Elena, parents, teachers, and friends. On behalf of the 90 prep students, on behalf of the 19 prep students, 25 sixth graders, and 18 high school seniors who will graduate tonight, I warmly welcome you today to our beloved IUF Academy. We all do hope that today's meeting will turn out to be very eventful for everyone gathered around here. We are also looking forward to your utmost enjoyment as you watch one of the most inspiring and the most awaited chapters in the life of every student unfold. I would also like to grab this opportunity to give thanks to the following. To God, who have watched over me this entire time and showered the blessings and challenges that molded me into the person that I am today. I say thanks to you and offer your praise. To my classmates who have always given me the mandate to lead over them, I thank you for pinning your faith in me and for believing in what I can do. I will never forget you all. To my friends, for the company you provided me in times of fun and of trouble, 1,001 thanks I offer you. To my family, my mama, papa, kuya, and tito, who have provided me with all that I need, who have worked hard to educate me, who have uncomplainingly suffered great pains and hunger. I give you my diploma and I love you. And lastly, to the best tutor in the world, she made sure I understand my lessons, get me striving so I can be on top, and prepared me for challenges both in and out of school. She's the best, and because of that, I am ready to take the challenges of high school life and beyond. Out of 500 examinees, I was one of the 130 freshmen that got admitted to the premier Venezuela City Science High School. This tutor is the coolest, and I never had to pay her a single cent. Mama, I dedicate my graduation to you. Thank you for everything, and I love you very much. My fellow graduates, I congratulate us all. Once again, let us give meaning to the age-old adage, ang kabataan ang siyang pag-asa ng bayan sa kinabukasan. Let us be vigilant and make sure that the wrongs of today will never be committed in the future. Always remember that the ladder of success is never crowded at the top. If you don't try, you'll never know if you can do it. If you can find a path with no obstacles, it probably doesn't lead you to anywhere. Anyone can quit when the going is hard, but thoroughbred never quits until he wins. Again, I